Hello friends, this is Purnima. Welcome to my channel Beautification. Let's make a beautiful Indian badge for Independence Day. I'm using a very small CD to trace a circle on my green paper. You can use any instrument to create a circle of diameter 8 cm. Once your circle is traced, cut it using scissors. I have created 2 green circles, 3 orange circles and 3 white circles. Now to start, fold all of the circles in exactly half and cut them using scissors. This will form our badge in a very beautiful manner. Just like you see, you have to do the same procedure with all of the circles that we have traced and cut. You have to fold them in half and then cut them using a scissor. Once that is done, we will take our base circle, which was in orange. You can take it in any color, and start spreading a white glue. I have used a Fevicol. You can use any white glue that is available to you. And as you can see, I am attaching all my semicircles. So I will attach the white one in the middle, orange one on the top and green one on the bottom, as you can see. Make sure that you are applying a good amount of glue to attach all of the semicircles. This procedure can be followed with paper as well as felt as well as foam sheet. So if you feel that it is not complete, you can add another semicircle just like I have added to complete my badge. I've added that at the back. To complete it, you will have to add one circle. So I've attached that exactly in the middle. Now I will cut 3 strips with a length of 25 cm and width 3 cm of orange color, green color and white color. Now to make the base design, I will put them collectively and cut them using scissors. You can draw the pattern using pencil if you're not sure about the design, but I was sure, so I used directly scissors to cut the design. I've just made a triangle, and just like that it looks very beautiful. And now that is done, I will attach these 3 strips on the back of my badge. I will just use this glue. Make sure that they are not in a straight line, but green and orange should be a little bit of tilted and white should be in the middle. It makes a very good look for a badge. So once that is done, I will attach my safety pin. I will use fabric glue or white glue only for that. It works perfectly fine. And I will attach a paper on it to make sure that it attaches properly on the badge. Once that is secured properly, my badge is complete. Now I have to complete the middle part. I will use a scale and a pencil to draw the middle part. You can use directly. I use that to trace my design first, and then I'm using this blue marker or blue sketch pen. You can use anything. As you can see that I'm using scale and sketch pen directly to create all the lines. And once you're satisfied with the lines, create a circle in the middle and also create the border with the same marker. Make sure that the marker that you're using is blue in color. Also add dots to add a finishing touch. Once that is done, your badge is complete. It looks completely beautiful, and you can use that to attend all of the Independence Day function. And happy Independence Day to all of my fans. Bye.